One. Hi, ma'am. Good afternoon. Can you tell me something about yourself, ma'am?
Okay, I'm Kimberly Ortega Rodriguez and 29 years old. I live in Cagayan de Oro, Misamis Oriental, Philippines.
And what is your marital status, ma'am?
I'm single.
Do you have kids, ma'am?
Yes, I have a kids, which is two son and one daughter, 13 years old and also 9, and the eldest is 4 years old.
Alright, so how many siblings do you have, ma'am?
I'm four in the family, but I am a youngest in our family.
Mm-hmm. And can you tell me about your educational background, ma'am?
Okay, I'm undergraduate in college and I have stopped schooling. It's because I had no support with my tuition, and also I have daily needs in our family, and I work at a young age.
Alright, so do you have work experience abroad, ma'am?
I have no work experience in abroad, but I'm a local experience in the Philippines, which is 2 years, and I'm work is in the family is 5, and also the mom answer also that 3 kids, which is 13, 9, and 5 years old, and I'm doing my taxes because we're cooking, laundry, cleaning the pets, also the feeding the children.
Alright, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I'm describing myself is a good, clean. Also, I'm handle every task, and also I'm good and servicing and also the kids.
Alright, so do you have any tattoo in your body, ma'am?
Yes, we have tattoo in my body, which is the back and also the legs.
Okay, so did you undergo to any kind of surgery, ma'am?
Yes, I undergo the surgery is ectopic pregnancy test in 2018.
Okay, so why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I work abroad. It's because the first is the financial problem in here, and also I want to discover abroad in the any country the for my career also, and to travel around the other country.
Are you scared of dogs and cats, ma'am?
No, I don't have I no scared of cat and dog. It's because I have also a cat and dogs.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
My message for my future employer: I do my tax. I'm good and honest, then good attitude. I'm multitasking, and when my day off, then said my employer that I'm doing my work also, um, good for her. Thank you very much.
Alright, so that would be all, ma'am. Thank you so much.